Dolla Docta Jennifer here, and we're gonna do something a little different today. I got a crazy cat lady box from CatLadyBox.com. I will put a link below for them. It's something I used to get a lot more, but I stopped getting them because I don't need more stuff. So I did get this one because they were offering a free gift for returning to the box, and the t-shirt I really wanted, and then I also got something for a friend for Hanukkah. So I'm going to show you what I got in my crazy cat lady box. So the reason I got the box was this blanket. It was for like a free gift for signing up. I've been wanting it, but it's like $30 or $40 I think. But it's this nice like faux Sherpa lined blanket, but it's also hooded, and it has cat ears. Oh God, I can't see. And so, and it does tie if you want to wear it around the house or whatever. So super excited about that. Really soft. I've already been using it a little bit, but yeah, so definitely a good free gift. And then really cute, they do have these I think for sale on the website outside of buying the box, and it's this really cute Hanukkah cat shirt for my friend for one of her 8 nights of Hanukkah presents. She loves cats, she has 2, and she celebrates Hanukkah, so it was a no-brainer. This is actually the Cat Lady logo, so if you ever see anything with that logo on it, it is from a Cat Lady box. I have resold quite a bit of stuff from my old boxes that I just didn't need around the house. So if you see it out, like especially if you're going to the Goodwill outlet or something, I would definitely pick it up for resale. I'm probably going to be selling 1 or 2 things I have in here as well. Just stuff like I said, I don't really need. So normally, I got extra stuff so the box is bigger. Normally when you get your box, it looks like this. And this is the Cat Lady box. So there's two sizes. The Cat Lady box, which I think is like 37 something a month. And you get 3 cat related items. Or what I have here is the crazy Cat Lady box, because you only got the free gift with ordering the crazy Cat Lady box. And it comes with those same 3 items plus 2 cat toys. I will say the cat toys I got in this box I wasn't super thrilled about, but this is the box, the stuff in it. It always has like a tissue paper on the top with the little Cat Lady box sticker. So I will show you really quickly what I got. There's always like an art postcard, and then it shows you like what you have and what they're worth. This is featured cat lady artist Ruth Arietta from California. It's like a cat in a sink. My cat used to do that. I'll pop in a picture if I remember. Rupert, R.I.P. Rupert. So first we have 2 cat lady toy or cat toys. They're all Cat Lady branded. I will probably be selling these on Poshmark. I've sold a couple before, newer tags. This is just a candle. The flames are feathers. And then this is catnip as well. Yeah, it's catnip candlestick is what it's called. So it's cute, but my cat's 19 and he doesn't really play with stuff anymore, so I will probably just sell it. The one that was super not inspiring was this green bean catnip toy, Dream Cat. Ooh. And so I guess this is actually from someone's Etsy shop. I just wasn't super excited about it, but it's a catnip toy and it's a green bean. I mean, it is what it is. So I will be selling this probably too. It's catnip. thought there was something else, but I don't know. Anyway, it's just a green bean. So, not so thrilled about the toy part. That's just usually why I just get the CatLady box, not the crazy CatLady box. I used to get the crazy CatLady box when I lived with my ex and we had like 6 cats. But no more, just the 1 cat now. So this is the other reason I got the box. They did like they always send out an email like a sneak peek in the box, and this is what they showed, and I did want this. So this is a t-shirt. Again, they're CatLady Box branded, and it just says cats are greater than people, and it's like a brown heathered color v-neck. So this will definitely get worn quite a bit because cats are better than people. Then it also came with these CatLady Potholders, 2 different ones. I might keep these. I don't know, I can always use potholders. If not, then I will resell them. I'm probably just going to keep these though, because I don't think they'll resell for very much. The retail on them, 16 bucks, but I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how I feel. I've got some other CatLady pot holders that I already have from a past box, so I might sell these. We'll see. There's also a little card to get you excited for the next box, which is Meowie Holidays. And of course they're going to say it's the most popular box every year, but they also say that about the black cat box that they do every year, so it is what it is. I am getting the Christmas box, so I will, if you're interested in me unboxing that, definitely let me know. There's a huge bunny rabbit in the yard and Remy's growling at it. This is the last item in the box, and it's a cat soap dispenser. I will be reselling this. I don't really use soap dispensers, and it is new in box, so that's nice. I will have to unbox it slightly to take pictures of it, so I'm going to undo the tape so you can see it. But I think it's just like a white soap dispenser that's shaped like a cat, as I struggle with the tape. It's good size. You can also, it says on the thing, you can also use it for lotion, but I mean, it's a good size. I mean, that's a good size soap dispenser. I don't know how much I'll price that yet. It's cute though. It's cat, obviously. It has the pump. It doesn't come with anything in it. And it's a nice ceramic. So I will resell this probably on Poshmark, just to recoup some of my money, and because I don't need this in my house. So that is our CatLady box. This is actually longer than I thought it was going to be. So they're fun boxes to get, especially if you love cats, and if your cat loves toys, because they've had some really good toys in the past. I'll throw up some pictures if I remember some stuff that I've gotten. But what do you think? It was a little something different. I just thought it'd be fun for everyone to see my crazy CatLady box. So I hope you guys have a good one. Remember to help control the pet population. Have your pet spayed or neutered. Bye guys.